Well, a turn of events in the trial for a man accused of leading a Prince George's County police officer on a chase that ended in a crash that killed Officer Adrian Morris. A revelation from one of the jurors has now led to a mistrial. And Maryland Bureau Chief Brad Bell live from the courthouse with the developments today. Brad.
Well, Allison, it was a turn of events the likes of which no one in the courtroom had ever seen before. Out of the blue, this juror says that her religion prevented her from being a juror. Well, she could have made that claim before the jury was selected. She could have made it at any point during the trial while there were still alternates available to take her place. But no, she waited until the alternates were dismissed and the trial had reached the point of no return. The judge had no choice but to declare a mistrial.
She was juror number 7. Her name is Darvita Caldwell. And after she caused the mistrial, she had absolutely nothing to say to reporters. But in the wake of her actions, others have plenty to say about her.
This was disgraceful that this juror did not take this matter any more seriously.
For 3 days, Caldwell and 14 other jurors, including 3 alternates, heard testimony and saw evidence about the 2012 death of PGPD officer Adrian Morris. Morris died when he crashed while chasing a suspect believed to be Kevon Neal. Neal is charged with vehicular manslaughter. Whether Neal was found guilty or not, Morris's mother hoped the trial would help her heal.
It's been very hard dealing with the situation. Adrian is gone. Yeah, we missed him, but we want to move on.
After closing arguments yesterday, the jurors deliberated about what happened on the highway for 2 hours. They were to resume this morning, but in the middle of the night, Caldwell, saying she is a Jehovah's Witness, sent an email to the judge with a stunning claim.
Her religious beliefs would disallow her from sitting in judgment of another human being.
She'd already been asked that very religion question before being put on the jury and expressed no such concern. But her email ensured a mistrial, and the situation grew even more strange when the judge questioned the woman in court. She didn't mention religion, but claimed she, quote, didn't have a dog in the fight, apparently meaning she didn't care what happened.
It's just beyond belief that at this point, she decided to back out, and then it's just a waste of the court's time.
Well, now juror number 7 herself may be in trouble. The judge has ordered her back to court in February to answer questions to find out why he should not hold her in contempt for nullifying this jury. As for the defendant in this case, Mr. Neal, he is not out of trouble. The state's attorney says she will retry this case. In Upper Marlboro, Brad Bell, ABC 7 News.
Wow.